There are days when the market and the forex market is closed, so you are not able to trade any currency pairs. Then that can happen when you try to open Metatrader 4 and you try to open a new order. For example, here it is a Metatrader 4 with Euro-USD currency pair, and currently there is a connection with the MetaQuotes server. So this is not a problem. There is a connection always, even though today is Saturday and it's weekend, when the forex market is closed. But when I try to open an order, for example sell order, I will get information the market is closed. So I'm not able to open any order, buy or sell, because there is information here. What you can see here, the order is failed because there is a market that is currently closed. I need to wait until Monday when the market opens. There are also other days, for example as a holiday, for example it can happen that it's Christmas, the market can be closed. So you need to be aware not to trade when the market is closed, and that is usually for the forex market it is a weekend. Even though the forex market is open, but you as a trader or with your broker cannot open any trades. So it is smart to close all trades on Friday if it is possible, and that means if you are trading a lower time frames, because sometimes can happen something over the weekend that can change the market direction, that can be against you. So it is wise to close those orders and wait until Monday. This is all from this video. I hope you like it. Click the like button and subscribe, and see you next time. Happy trading!